So Tangem just released their native staking feature, which means we can now stake our crypto in literally seconds and start earning passive rewards in our Tangem wallet. But before you lock up your crypto, there are some things you should know. So I'll walk you through all those important details and show you exactly how to stake your crypto using your Tangem wallet. And if you don't have a Tangem wallet yet, or you're thinking about getting another one, make sure to use our discount code CyberSkrilla at checkout to get 10% off your order. Before we can stake any crypto, the first thing we should do is make sure that our Tangem app is up to date. Tangem is always adding new tokens to the staking feature, so it's best to check that we have the most current version of the app. So I'm going to head over to the App Store, search for Tangem, and check to see if there are any updates available. And it looks like there is one because they just added this staking feature. So I'll go ahead and update the app, and then we're good to go. With the app updated, we can start the staking process. Currently, there are only a few coins that you can stake, including Solana, Tron, and Cardano. But don't worry, there are a bunch of other coins that Tangem will add soon. And if you're unsure of whether or not you can stake the coin that you want to stake, the easiest way to check is to go into the Tangem app and tap on the cryptocurrency that you want to stake. And if the staking button is there, that means you can stake it. If it's not there, then you can't stake it yet. All right, let's get this party started. First things first, open up the Tangem app. Here I am on the home screen of the app, and I want to stake Solana because I've got about $50 worth of it in my Tangem wallet. But notice Solana isn't showing under my tokens tab. And I did this on purpose because I want to show you how to add tokens to your Tangem wallet if you don't already have it on the main page. So first, I'll need to add my Solana back to my tokens page. To do that, just go to settings in the upper right-hand corner, tap on the cards you want to manage, and then select manage tokens. From here, you can either scroll up and down and search for the token you want to add, or use the search bar to find the token. Since Solana is right here, I'm going to select it, and then I'll just tap enable, and then I'll hit save. Now, if I go back to the home screen, you'll see that I've got about $55 worth of Solana that's ready to stake. Now for the fun part. To stake your crypto, you can either long press on the token until the menu pops up, or just tap on the token you want to stake, and you'll see the staking option appear below your balance. Then just tap the new stake button to get started. And here are all the important details I mentioned earlier. These are essentially the terms of staking your crypto, so it's crucial to read each one carefully and understand what you're agreeing to. So let's break it down real quick. First, we have the annual percentage rate, or APR. This is the estimated annual percentage return you can expect from staking your crypto, and it varies depending on the crypto that you stake. For example, if I stake $55 of Solana for 1 year, I can expect to earn around $3.50 to $4 in rewards after 1 year. Assuming my math is right, I might need to rethink my retirement plan. Also, there are some fees to consider, especially if you're staking a smaller amount, because ultimately these fees will eat into your rewards profit. And these fees are just network fees, so you're going to have to pay transaction fees to stake and unstake your crypto. Of course, these fees vary depending on which network you're using and which token you're staking. It looks like for Solana, it's not too bad. It's only about 3 cents. So these fees won't eat into my profit too much. Next is available, which is pretty self-explanatory. This is the amount of crypto you have in your Tangem wallet that you can stake. Then we have the unbonding period, and this is the time you have to wait when you unstake your crypto before your tokens become available. For Solana, the waiting period is about 3 days. Next is reward claiming. This is how you receive all the rewards that you earn from staking your crypto. Depending on the token you stake, this can either be automatic, meaning the reward is credited to your account automatically, or manual, where you have to initiate the withdrawal by paying the network fee to claim your rewards. Then we have the warm-up period. This is the time it takes to begin actively participating in staking after you start this process. So if I start staking today, my tokens are locked for 3 days during this warm-up period, so only after the 3-day period can I unstake my Solana. And finally, we have the reward schedule. This tells you how often your staking rewards will be distributed. For Solana, it's per epoch, and an epoch is basically a set period of time during which transactions are processed and rewards are calculated. And epochs vary depending on the network you use. So for example, Solana's epoch is every 2 to 3 days, while Cardano's is about every 5 days. Okay, cool. With all that out of the way, let's stake some crypto. So to get started, just press stake, then input the amount of crypto you want to stake. You can enter it in the cryptocurrency's value or in your native value, the fiat value. I want to stake all my Solana, so I'll just tap max and then hit next. On this page, you can review all the details of your staking transaction. You can see how much you're staking. You can choose different validators. But unless you have a preferred validator for some reason, there's no reason to change this since Tangem defaults to whichever validator will give you the best returns. So if I tap on validator, for example, you can see a bunch of different options, but they all provide a less favorable rate compared to the default option Tangem already selected for me. You'll also notice a network fee. Since this is a crypto transaction, you do have to pay a network fee. There's no way around that. Fortunately, on Solana, it looks like this fee is only about 1 cent. And notice down here at the bottom above the stake button, it actually tells you how much you can expect to earn on a yearly basis, so you don't have to do the math yourself. Thanks, Tangem. Assuming everything looks good, go ahead and tap stake, then scan your card to approve the transaction. You might have to give it a minute to confirm the transaction, but once it's done, you can close the screen and you're officially staking your crypto in your Tangem wallet. All right, now let's talk about how to manage any of your staked crypto in your Tangem wallet after you stake it. So if we go back to the tokens page, notice Solana now has a little icon next to the value. This is a reminder that I'm staking that crypto. Now to view the staked crypto and to manage it, just tap on the crypto you staked. So I'll tap on Solana and you'll notice there's now an all and an available tab. All shows the total amount of crypto you have in your wallet, including the staked crypto, while available shows the free amount of crypto you have that's not locked up. But to manage your staked crypto, just tap the native staking bar, which will show you your current terms, including how much you have staked and any rewards that you've earned so far. If you want to stake more, you can also tap the stake more button and input however much more you want to stake. Then when you're ready to unstake your crypto or claim rewards, you'll do it on this page. However, since I just staked my crypto, the claim button isn't available yet because I don't have any rewards yet. But once you have some rewards, you'll see how much you've earned in this rewards section. And if you want to claim your rewards, just tap on rewards and then tap the claim rewards button, which will only appear once you have rewards to claim. And yeah, staking your crypto on your Tangem wallet is really that easy. There's nothing to it. It's nice because it's super straightforward and your crypto is still secured by your Tangem wallet when it's staked. But what if I told you that you could stake your crypto on a cold wallet ring? This is the Tangem ring. The first batch is shipping out pretty soon. And if you're interested in this, I've got a full hands-on review in this next video, so make sure to check that out. I'll see you over there. God bless. Peace out.